Rolling up information from low-level boards to high-level boards can be a great way to keep track of all your work inside a project. But how do you do it? Let's talk about it. Nick here with Axa Nexa, and welcome to part 5 of our series about project management. In our last part, we talked about creating project boards from templates. Now, we're going to walk through how to connect them all to your portfolio roll-up. Seeing all your projects and their statuses or relevant information in one place is key to staying on top of everything going on, and connecting them is simple. Once you have the connect board and mirror columns that you want on your roll-up board, simply go to your project board, highlight all the tasks, and connect them to the roll-up. Be sure when creating the connect board column that you create a two-way connection. Once you do that, the columns you want to reflect upward will showcase the information that you need. And if you have more tasks that need to be added to a project in the future and want to connect those without the manual effort, it's easy to maintain the connection. Simply set the item default to automatically connect to the roll-up board's line item for the project. If you make this part of your initial project setup, you'll never forget it and will always stay connected. So once that's done, you're probably going to want to show this information in a dashboard with some charts and some combined data. Well, in the next part of this series, we'll talk about all things reporting. But that's for next time. And until next time, remember to stay empowered one moment at a time.